Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your profile in another language on LinkedIn, apart from just saying that you speak it in your language section. So if you're an international student or you speak a language fluently, this is a great option for you. You got to access your profile on a laptop or a computer. So underneath your profile, you'll see edit public profile and URL or add profile in another language. So I'm going to click on this. And the reason why this is helpful, as opposed to just saying that you speak a language, is if you're open to a job that speaks this language, then recruiters can find you by typing in the skill, the direct translation of the skill, as opposed to just an English version. So what I'm going to do is type in my first name, last name, and then if I had a lot of time, I would show you, I would fill in an entire headline. But for the sake of time, I'm just going to create profile. And it says, hey, congrats, you've created a Spanish version of your profile. So now what this does is every time I want to edit a section, I click on the gray pencil just like normal, but it gives me a few different options. Actually, I'm going to refresh the page. So that's something you should do each time as well. So now you see toggle. I can toggle between my English and Spanish profile. And so this is my Spanish one. Now I'm going to come down to my about section and click on the gray pencil. Edit just like I normally would. Now I can toggle between English and Spanish, and you'll see that I don't have an about section yet on my Spanish version. So I could literally copy and paste or direct translate my about section from English, or I can create an entirely new about section. Depends on what I want to do. And then you can do that for each part of your section. And I will mention, sometimes it is tedious work, because if I add experience here, or if I edit my experience in English, it doesn't automatically carry over the translation to my second profile. So every time you update your profile, you just have to update it twice. Now, let's say it's too much work or you want to delete your profile in this language. What you can do is click on this little globe next to the languages and click X next to the language that you want to delete. And it says remove. Okay, now it removes and now my profile is solely in English. So that is steps on how you can create your profile in another language to pretty much double your SEO value if recruiters are speaking that language instead of a default English or a different language. I hope that helps.